You are about to start coding for the first time, and this is exciting. It's going to open a whole new world for you, but it is going to be frustrating and you're going to make errors. It's just part of learning. So I'm going to tell you some tricks to help you solve your coding problems. So the first thing you need to do is when you get an error, you need to debug it. Now, don't worry if these terms don't make sense now. They're going to be very clear very soon. So debugging is removing the errors in your coding. So the first thing you want to do is check the error message that Xcode gives you. So there's going to be a compiler or a little bit on the side saying this isn't working. And normally you've missed off a bracket or a semicolon or something like that in your code. Imagine if you've done Excel formula, if you miss a bracket, it just doesn't work. The same for Xcode. So go look in there, see if it's highlighted where the issues are, and just pop that in. Sometimes you can't spot where the issue is. So if you just delete everything you've just added since the last time it's working, maybe cut it out and paste it somewhere else, and slowly add it in, then you're going to find out which new addition has a problem. That'll help you zoom down and go, I missed the part there. I'm also going to give you example coding in the lessons we're doing so you can compare what you've done to what I've done. That is a very good way to do it. Now, sometimes you're going to be doing something which is more complicated and harder to just spot or eyeball it. So you can do the next thing, which is find solutions online. Finding solutions online is really what makes you a developer, because this stuff happens all the time for professionals. So if you're given an error message, go onto Google and Google it. So Overstack is a great place for finding answers. They will normally have an answer of, you just need to do this, or have you looked over there? Also, you can Google for how do I, whatever your problem is, and then Swift. Now, that will mean that Google comes up with solutions to that thing you're trying to achieve if you haven't got the actual error message. So online is going to be giving you great answers. It's a fantastic place. So bear these things in mind. When you get errors, don't worry. There's always a way out of it. And a great developer is someone who can solve problems when they arise, not somebody who doesn't ever have problems.